welcome to Dosa to Pizza. I'm Kanchan Jaykumar. This is a lovely session of snack series part 2. We're going to do the lovely yummy okra or Bhindi Pakoras, a crispy and a yummy dish. Now to our cleaned okras or Bhindi ladies fingers, what we're going to do is cut the head and tail and stitch it into 2 pieces. Juice of half lemon. Salt according to taste. The stickiness of the lady's finger or okra disappears. Turmeric powder, chili powder and ajwain seeds. Rice flour, corn flour and Bengal gram flour. You will add everything together. Just sprinkle some water. See, first wash your hands. With your dry hands, just try to press the masala on the top of the lady's finger or okras like this, so that when you fry, they are very crispy. Now let's heat the oil in medium flame. If it's going to be in high flame, the bhindis will not get cooked well and the outer cover will get burnt. Now in just 3 minutes, the bubbling of the oil has stopped. So let's remove the fried lady's finger or okra. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely, crispy, yummy okras or bhindis. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa to Pizza, and for your printable recipes, visit dosatopizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye. I'll see you soon again with another crispy, lovely dish.